Good morning, class 7th. Today we are going to start chapter number 10, Triangle and its properties. I am very happy that finally I am in school and we are going to study from the green board. Triangle and its properties. बेटा आज हम बात करेंगे what is a triangle and what are its properties. So let's start with the learning outcome of this chapter. Learning outcome means what we are going to learn from this chapter. Triangle क्या होता है everybody knows, but triangle के साथ साथ we will talk about its properties. So first learning outcome is what is a triangle and its types. There are so many type of triangles, so we will talk about different types of a triangle. And the second thing is properties of triangle. There are so many properties related to the triangles. We will discuss them one by one. So let's start with a triangle. What is a triangle? If I ask you to come to the board and make a triangle, you will come here and you will draw like this. Everybody knows what is a triangle? Like this. And we always name the triangle with the capital letters. So here, this is called triangle ABC. This is called triangle ABC. So if I ask you what is a triangle is made up of three line segment. Line segment 1, 2, 3. So three line segments joined together make a triangle. Let's talk about this word triangle. Triangle कहाँ से बना है? Triangle is a Latin language word. Tri plus angle. Triangle is tri plus angle. Tri का मतलब होता है 3 and angles आपको पता ही है. When 3 angles are joined together, जब 3 angles को मिलाया जाए, it become a triangle. Have you seen the tricycle? एक साइकिल जिसके 3 टायर्स हों तो उसे हम ट्राई साइकिल बोलते हैं. इसी तरह से ट्राइंगल इज द एंगल देयर आर 3 एंगल्स आर देयर. सो बेसिकली व्हेन 3 लाइन सेगमेंट्स जॉइन टुगेदर दे मेक अ ट्राइंगल. यू हैव टू राइट देम in your notebook. So triangle and its properties, these two are the learning outcomes. Beta, there are basically 4 to 5 properties of triangle. We will discuss one by one, and let's start what is a triangle. We talk about triangle. Now we will talk about the next step, triangles classification. Classification means types. How many type of triangles are there? Beta, triangles are of basically 3 types, but triangles classification can be depend upon its sides and its angles. Means side-wise triangles are of 3 types. Okay, let's talk about the sides first. ट्राइंगल की अगर हम साइड्स की बात करें, सी आई हैव मेड 3 triangles here. One triangle is here. Suppose this is 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter. So all 3 sides I have made of this triangle are same. They are same. So it is called a equilateral triangle. So equilateral triangle is a triangle when all 3 sides are equal. When all 3 sides are equal, it is called equilateral triangle. Now let's talk about the second triangle. This is type number 1, type number 2. Now suppose this is 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 2 centimeter. Now what happen in this triangle? 2 sides are equal and one is different. So when 2 sides are equal and one is different, this is called isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle is a triangle when only two sides are equal. Okay, now let's move to the third type. Suppose this is 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 4 centimeter, A, B, C. Now in this triangle, all three sides are different. So this is called a scalene triangle. So when we talk about the sides of a triangle, triangles are of three types. First is equilateral triangle, second is isosceles triangle, third is scalene triangle. Equilateral triangle have all three sides equal, isosceles have two sides equal, scalene have all sides different. So we talk about the sides of a triangle here. Now we will talk about the angles of a triangle. So if I talk about the angles of a triangle, here is one triangle like this. Suppose this is 40 degree, this is 70 degree, this is again 70 degree. So this is called a acute angle triangle. Beta, acute angle triangle is a triangle when all three angles of a triangle are less than 90 degree. जब 90 डिग्री से छोटे एंगल्स होते हैं, दिस इज कॉल्ड एक्यूट एंगल ट्राइंगल. व्हेन ऑल द एंगल्स, सी थ्री एंगल्स आर देयर, एवरीबडी नोज देयर आर थ्री एंगल्स. सो ऑल थ्री एंगल्स should be less than 90 degree. So this become acute angle triangle. Now let's move to the next triangle. This is called a, what happened here? One angle is of 90 degree. So when one angle is equal to 90 degree, this is called right angled triangle. This is called right angle triangle when one angle is of 90 degree. And when I talk about the third kind of triangle where one angle is of U shape, obtuse angle triangle, more than 90 degrees. Suppose one angle is of 100 degree. So when one angle, any one angle is more than 90 degree, this is called obtuse angled triangle. So beta, when we talk about the sides of a triangle, we talk about the equilateral, isosceles, scalene. But when we talk about the angled sides, angles type of classification, when we talk about the angles of a triangle, they are again of three types. One is acute, जिसमें सारे एंगल 90 से छोटे हों. One is right angled when at least one angle is 90 degree, and one is obtuse where one angle is more than 90 degree. Everybody knows that the sum of all three angles of a triangle is always 180 degree. You did it in your earlier class, right? We are done with the classification. In the next video, we will talk about the elements of a triangle.